Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, we're going to look at Microsoft To Do and I'm going to show you how I use it on a daily basis. This is the fourth part in a series of videos we're doing about how we use Microsoft apps. Okay, so what you're seeing here is my To Do running in the browser. Down the left hand side I've got my task lists, and over here in the middle that's where my tasks are. So right now I'm on my day, and basically the point of To Do is that you choose the task you're going to do for that particular day, and you do that on a daily basis. What I tend to do is review my lists every day and then add the tasks that I think I can complete to my day. The top list here is called important, and this is really useful because it's a way that I can prioritize the tasks, so I remember that they are more important and that I should do those first. So this is usually the first place I come to, and I can go through the list and pick the things that I want to do just by right-clicking and choosing Add to My Day. This one here, how we use lists, which is something that's been assigned to me, and it's a video that we need to create. That's now in the My Day list because I think I'm going to work on that today. Now you can see when I select the task in my day, it will show me details about that task, including the checklist. So these are all the different parts or different steps of the task that need to be completed. Now you can see 3 of those steps have been completed already, and now there's 3 left to do. When we create videos, we often do the tasks separately. So that's the reason we have a checklist, so we can easily see at a glance how much of that particular video has been done and how much is left to do. If I go to planned now, you'll also see any of the tasks that have a due date assigned. In the previous video where I assigned due dates to my videos, you can see they're all listed here. So this helps me with planning what I'm going to do with my day, because if I know that something doesn't need to be completed until a few weeks in the future, then I don't need to add that to my day. The rest of the planner assigned tasks are in this list called Assigned to Me. When I click on that, I can see a list of every task that's been assigned to me in Planner, no matter what plan it's in. So this could be a mixture of different plans, but this is essentially wherever I've been assigned a task. So you can see it's a big old list. And this is why flagging tasks as important comes in really handy, because it just helps you keep track on what to prioritize. I also obviously look at flagged mail and tasks. They're where I usually capture most of my tasks. And then I've also got some custom lists, one's for college and one's for a holiday that we're taking. I can add tasks in to the same My Day view, so I get a complete picture of the work I'm doing and any personal stuff I'm doing as well. So hopefully that's a useful overview of how I use To Do. And that's the last in the series of how we use Microsoft apps. So I hope that's useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.